change of seasons, watching the leaves changing colour from bright greens to warm reds, watching the children stomping through muddy puddles, climbing through woods with fallen leaves everywhere, finding conkers to collect, and visiting pumpkin fields to pick the best pumpkin for Halloween. But due to the shorter days, our fun gets cut short and we can't get out exploring as much. Back in the summer, I shared a video featuring our Philips Hue garden lights, showing you how we love to use our garden during the summer. I now want to show you how we are using our Philips Hue lights now we have shorter days and darker evenings, also featuring the security features that will help keep your home safer during the winter months. I used to worry about the house being so dark when we've been out for the day, arriving home and the house was left dark looking very unsafe. However, with the routines function on the Philips Hue app, we can set our lights to turn on at certain times of the day. We have also enjoyed the geofencing function when we've been out for the day. The Philips Hue Smart Hub detects when we are arriving home and will automatically switch the lights on for us. If the lights are placed in the front of your garden, you could light up your driveway and entrance for a warm welcome home. We have been enjoying the garden so much since the Philips Hue lights have been installed. The children play outside more and they love picking which colour they want their play area to be lit up as. Being able to light up the lily spotlights in the garden foliage has proven so popular with our guests and creating such a lovely atmosphere when they're over. We also have been getting in the mood for Guy Fawkes night too, playing with sparklers in the garden and setting the lily spotlights to all different colours. Philips Hue have a Halloween living scenes function within their app, which circulates through an array of spooky colours. Also, if you're going on holiday over the festive season, we now know we can easily control our lighting from our smartphones. And the best thing is, we can make the most of the darker evenings and do different things with the children, like snuggling up on the sofa in the dark, keeping warm with a hot drink.